Welcome to the Long Run, Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And what are we doing today?
We're doing a try something new recipe today that is an oven roasted smoked sausage and potatoes.
All right, let's get to it.
Okay, so we started by taking 5 large potatoes and cutting them into about 1/2 inch. It said cubes, but as you can see, I ain't so good with the cubing.
The Cuban?
Nope, not so good with the cubing. I did just, they look like that instead. You're supposed to actually mix this in the bowl, but I didn't do that. So here we go. As you can see, we have a big mound of potatoes and sausage that I was supposed to mix in a bowl. So this is what we're going to do instead. We're going to mix it on the tray. 1 tablespoon, 1 tablespoon. We got salt and pepper. A teaspoon of thyme. Oh, one thing that you won't see on here is it also called for 1 whole onion to be chopped, diced, and added to it. But we don't like the texture of onions, so we're leaving that out. Then we got 2 teaspoons of paprika. Yeah, should have mixed it in the bowl because that would have probably kept them from falling off the tray. And probably made it a little easier to mix them together, but we okay. We're all right. What you think?
Yep, that's good.
All right, so now we put it in the oven for 45 minutes to an hour. We start halfway through. Okay, so this has gone for how long to go?
45 minutes.
45 minutes. So, and we checked, and the potatoes are golden brown and tender. So, what we're going to do now is we're adding a cup of cheddar cheese onto it.
Yeah, because cheese.
And then, which is about a cup?
I reckon.
Okay, so we put it back in the oven just long enough to finish melting the cheese, and then it's done.
All right, so there's the recipe, and this is the finished product here. That looks really good. How can you can't go wrong with potatoes, sausage, and cheese. Okay, I'm just
sorry,
going
I'm stifling a sneeze.
And we did take out the onions because we don't like onions.
Yeah, we didn't put onions in the recipe. Other than that, it's exactly what they said to do.
I'm gonna go out on a limb and say I'm really gonna like this because it's sausage, potatoes, and cheese. So anyway.
And with some spices.
With some spices.
Okay.
Yep.
Like you said, how could that go wrong?
There's hardly any way to get that wrong. Okay.
All right, so if you like sausage and you like potatoes and you like cheese, this is a good one.
That's a good one for you, yeah. All right, so drop us a comment below and let us know how you think that looks, and maybe if you're going to try that or if you've tried any of our recipes, let us know that in the comments below. We'd love to hear that. Also, if you got pictures of anything you take, hit us up on the gram at Long Run Joel and Christy. We'd love to see the pictures and recipes and things that you're doing because maybe you can make this better. I don't see how, but this is really good.
Yeah, this one's got an A+ on
already.
our list.
Yeah. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notifications bell for updates. We upload new videos on Monday, Wednesday, Friday, sometimes on the weekend, and sometimes in between. You just kind of never know when we're going to drop one in there. And with that said, I think that's going to do it today for Long Run Joel and Christy. I'm Joel.
And I'm Christy.
And don't forget it's a long run. Give yourself a little grace.
Bye. This may be a really short video. We apologize for that.
What?
Or maybe you're happy about that.
Yeah, there you go.
I don't know.
Anyway,
whatever your bent is toward long or short videos. We're either sorry or you're welcome.
You want to cutting all that on you?
Yep.
Okay.
I hold it for the end and then do a blooper reel.